And as you can see, it's giving me a transaction ID, the trade results, and this is the amount of Litecoin which I will receive in my account. Assalamu alaikum folks, this is your host Ayaz Idar. In my last video, I showed you the withdrawal proof of the ZerAds ad network, and in today's video, I'll be withdrawing it to my Litecoin in FaucetPay. So let me go to my FaucetPay account and I will go to wallet, and now I will get the deposit address for Litecoin. So let's click on deposit, and now I will copy the Litecoin wallet address. Now I will go back to ZeroChain and I will click on swap, and now I can convert. I will click over here, so I will send like how much zero coins I have right now in my account. So that's 37 point something. I will copy that, I will paste it here, and now I will click on sell. Next I will input the Litecoin address. Let me copy that again. So let's go back and I will paste the Litecoin wallet address. I will click on next, and now it's going to give me the wallet address to send the zero coins to. So let's copy this address and now go back to the account. Now I will click on send in the ZeroChain wallet and I will type the address. Now I will type 0 as fees, and amount I will just copy this and paste over here. So let's click on send transaction, and as you can see, it's been listed as an unconfirmed transaction and it's gone to that wallet. So let me go back, and as you can see, let's read a bit of information over here. So it says that if I send any amount less or more than that, then it will calculate depending upon the received payment and it will transfer me that Litecoin. And I can close this page if I want to, and the trade will be confirmed, will be completed when the trade is confirmed. So let's refresh this page and see if it has been confirmed or not. So it hasn't been confirmed right now. So as you can see, it's saying that payment has been confirming and I will receive my payment within 2 minutes, and I can also close this page if I want to. So once I go to the transaction history, if I explore the transaction of the transaction I just made right now, and now I will wait for some time until it proceeds with my payment. And as you can see, it's giving me a transaction ID, the trade results, and this is the amount of Litecoin which I will receive in my account. And it's also giving me the average exchange rate, that is 10 coin for 39,441 Litecoin Satoshis. So once I open the transaction ID, it's going to get me to the block cipher, and as you can see, it's some amount of fees also involved, some confidence, and there are 0 confirmations for now. And once I go to the history in my FaucetPay dashboard, it's going to give me this as a trade, the amount. After the trade has been confirmed or the transaction has been confirmed, it will credit the amount into my account. So let's wait for it to do that. So as you can see that the transaction has gotten 1 confirmation. So let's see that if FaucetPay has confirmed my trade or not. Yes, as you can see, the amount has been credited to my account, and once I go to the wallet, you can see that my account money has not increased right now. So coming back to the wallet, you can see that the amount has increased and I have gotten the money that was sent by ZerAds. So this was all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.